Hi, welcome to yet another code. My name is Sam, and today we will talk about Cypress. We will talk about how to create an end-to-end test with Cypress. What we will cover here is first to know what Nodejs and NPM in general it is, how to set up Cypress, and how to run a simple test just by visiting a demo app that we will test later on. So, what is Nodejs? What is NPM? Well, Nodejs is a cross-platform open-source JavaScript runtime environment. What? It's just a way to say, hey, I can run JavaScript code in your machine. You don't need the browser for that. That's pretty much it. What is NPM? Well, when you run JavaScript code, you also need packages. You need solutions, pre-made solutions for your problems. You don't need to do everything from scratch. So NPM provides those packages, those pieces of code. So NPM is a package manager for JavaScript. It's the default package manager for Node.js. So that means when you download Node.js, you will also download an NPM command line to actually be able to pull those packages to your project. So it consists of a command line client, also called NPM, and an online database of public packages called NPM registry. And the registry is accessed via the client. And the available packages can be browsed and searched via the NPM website. So whenever you write something like in a terminal that like npm using the CLI client, npm install Cypress, what you're actually doing is to making a request to the npm registry, that means the web page of npm, and pulling those packages to your local project to use. This will be the web page that we will use for testing later on. So if you see here, if you don't have Node.js installed, please install it just by downloading here. It will come with NPM, with the NPM CLI tool. And remember that NPM CLI tool will allow you to pull packages from here. You can even search packages here, Cypress, and it will tell you even how to install it. Perfect. So now we know about Node.js, our JavaScript running, and we also know about NPM, how to install packages in our project. I will also advise you to always have the Cypress documentation open. You just go to docs.cypress.io and it will tell you how to start a Cypress project. Okay, let's do that. How do we start? Well, first, let's create a new folder where our project will be, and we will name it Nopcommerce, the page that we want to test. Perfect. Second, open Visual Studio Code. And now we will open the folder that we just created. Great. Within Visual Studio Code, it provides you a terminal that you can use, so we will do that. The way we start a new project in Node.js is by writing npm init. And we will just click enter on all of them to accept all the default configuration. Good. What did that do? It created a package JSON with all the configuration that we need. Name, description. So now, let's install Cypress in our project. How do we do that? Always refer to the documentation. If you go to getting started installing Cypress, you will see npm install cypress --save. Save. Let's run that. This may take a while. All your packages, once you install them, the packages, all the code will be saved in the Nodejs module, in the Node modules. Package lock, it will only take care of all the dependencies and sub-dependencies of the package that you created. We don't touch it, and we don't touch neither Node modules, neither package lock, so don't worry about them. The only thing that worries that we will be editing maybe sometimes is the package JSON. And as you can see here, Cypress has been installed as a dev dependency. Excellent. Now let's open Cypress. To open Cypress, we will just write npx, which is a runner, Cypress open. We will select the end-to-end testing. These are the configurations files that will be created for us. We will test things in Firefox. And we will create a new spec. It's great that they can provide some code so that we can start with them. We will just leave it as it is with the same name, expect, and we will create a spec. This is the code that we will be created. So let's just click on OK and run the spec. And we have already Cypress working. Perfect. So now let's see the code that it was created. Cypress end-to-end spec. This is the Cypress code that was created. So now what we will do is to, instead of going to this page, we will go to the page that we want to test, which is demo nopcode commerce. Let's save it and let's see how it works. Excellent. It actually visited the page that we wanted. Now let's create a simple test, a simple expect true to equal true. Let's save it and see if the expectation is correct. Excellent. Here, as you can see, here is their expectation. So in our next video, we will check how we can interact with this page, how we will add things to the cart. We will see if the shopping list cart number count changes here, and perform all sort of interesting specs on this page. Thank you for watching.